So hi everyone, I am in this video to showcase one of my project. It is an express checking application. So first let's see how to use this app. So for the first time when user are visiting this app, they will need to register using this Google ID, like the Google ID. I can register with my this school ID, and then I will need to set a password for my ID. Suppose I set a password as coder. Now I can go back to login, and now I can log in with my credentials. So the login page, I have few information like my username, my image, and the option to log out. So I can add here some value that how much money I actually want to add as a budget. First of all, let's say I want to add a budget as 500. Suppose I set date as today itself, like this, right now, this moment, and I say initial budget, add new transaction. So transaction is added. That this is the like initial budget. I got this money. Now I can subtract each time I use money, like suppose minus 20, 28. Let's say bought some chocolates. So here I have minus 20 and the amount is subtracted from the initial amount, and now I can log out. And if I log in again with my credentials, I have my transactions back. And here I also provided an option to actually remove all the transactions when we want to set the budget 0, like when to start from beginning. So now let's see the architecture of the app, that how things are working internally. So on my front end side I have React.js, on my backend side I have Express.js, and in my MongoDB database I have two collections, user and transaction. And for implementing this Google OAuth, I have used passport.js library. And if you carefully observe in the user collection, you can see that name and image URL. So these things are I'm taking from Google ID, like user's Google ID. And on transaction schema, all the information which you can see on the main page is basically there. And after a successful updation, it will be reflected on my front end side.